Alright, so this is just a quick class on how to replace a outlet here. You can see it's sort of cattywampus there. It's all broke. I don't know what the deal is. I've never seen one happen like that. So first off is to take and turn the power off, obviously. And then if you got an electric screwdriver, that makes it a little faster. Don't lose all your little screws there, just like that. All right, and flip the screw bit driver over. Pull these out. Get your new one lined up. So we just did the push-ins on these. I hate that people do the push-ins because I don't think they're as good. And let me see what we got here. We'll go ahead and do that. Get the neutral. A lot of people refer to that as ground. That's not correct. Actually, this is the ground and neutral's the other one. So actually, some of these will pull out. They have a push pin. This one I don't see. Sometimes there's a little hole you can push in and it will allow those to pull out. So not that lucky on this. Okay, sorry about that. So what we're gonna do after clip these off of here. I just always like keeping things organized there. And I think this is a great piece of gear here, these skinners. They hold the wire and pull insulation off. So they work really slick. Got to pick that trash up so your wife don't get pissed off at you. And then we'll just bend this around a little bit here. Alright, that was our, we'll go right here. Instead of using the push in. And actually I'm going to want to twist that around and go with the direction of the screw. Alright. Flip this one. Skin a little bit off. Maybe a little more. Get a little bend action going. Actually, probably need to skin that some more. You can tell I've got the fucking flu. Excuse me. Got the flu. Crap dropping all over the place. I meant pneumonia. Went to the doctor and got fluid in my left lung. Okay, we're gonna also put that around in the direction of the screw turns. Screwdriver. And, all right, we're going to turn that on, cut the power back on if it works. If it works, then we're all good to go. I just came back in. You can see the fan and the lights on. Just do a, all right, that's just the way we want it. All right. All righty, that's how you do it.